Today we're learning pre-order traversal, a simple way to visit every node in a tree in a specific order. Pre-order is easy to remember because it always goes root, then left, then right. A traversal is just a way of walking through a tree. In pre-order, we visit the root first, then traverse the left subtree, then the right subtree. When I say visit a node, I mean we record its value. Let's do a pre-order traversal on this example tree. Remember, root, left, right. We start at the root, so we visit A first. Now we go to the left subtree of A. The root there is B, so we visit B. Now we go left of B and visit D. D has a left child, so we visit G. G has no children, so we go back. Now we're back at D, and there's no right child, so we go back to B. Next, we visit the right child of B, which is E. E has no children, so we have finished with the left side of A. Now that the entire left side of A is done, we go to the right subtree of A. We visit C. Then we go left of C, there's nothing there, so we go right and visit F. F does not have a left child, but it has a right child, so we visit H. All the nodes have now been visited. So the pre-order traversal is A, B, D, G, E, C, F, H. One reason pre-order is useful is that it visits the root first, so you always see each parent before its children, which is helpful when copying or saving a tree structure. Quick recap. Pre-order traversal always goes root, then left, then right. Thank you for watching this video about pre-order tree traversal. I hope it helped you. If it did, please like and subscribe.